Financial giant predicts monumental 4,400% rise for Bitcoin. Renowned American asset manager VanEck released an impressive study this Wednesday, July 24th, which suggests a bright future for Bitcoin, the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency on the market. According to the published research, the value of Bitcoin could skyrocket to a remarkable $2,900,000 by the year 2050, representing an extraordinary growth of 4,400% compared to the current price, which is $65,000. Currently, VanEck's Bitcoin ETF ranks 6th among the largest ETFs in the United States. The asset manager manages a portfolio of more than 11,000 Bitcoins, the equivalent of approximately 4 billion reais. Although this amount is lower than the 337,000 Bitcoins under management by BlackRock and the 271,000 Bitcoins managed by Grayscale, it still represents 0.8% of the total assets under management by VanEck. This fact highlights the relevance of the product for the manager, especially considering that the ETF has only been in operation for 6 months. In addition, VanEck's study projects an optimistic scenario for the widespread adoption of Bitcoin as a store of value and medium of exchange. The analysis includes factors such as growing institutional acceptance, continued improvements in blockchain infrastructure, and increased favorable regulation that can encourage investor confidence. VanEck analysts also point to Bitcoin's potential to become a safe haven asset, similar to gold, especially in times of global economic instability. Bitcoin's historical volatility, while still a concern for some investors, is seen by VanEck as an opportunity for substantial long-term gains as the market matures. The report also mentions the potential impact of upcoming Bitcoin halving events, which reduce the block mining reward by half, decreasing the supply of new Bitcoins and, theoretically, increasing the price, if demand remains constant or increases. VanEck believes that Bitcoin is poised for significant growth over the coming decades, driven by a combination of technical, economic, and social factors that favor the continued rise of this pioneering cryptocurrency. VanEck's bullish outlook for Bitcoin. VanEck's bullish outlook for Bitcoin is in line with other bullish analyses circulating in the financial sector. Renowned investment manager Ark Invest, known for its bold outlook, also predicts a bright future for the cryptocurrency, projecting that Bitcoin's value could eventually reach an impressive $2.3 million. VanEck bases its bullish outlook on the belief that Bitcoin has the potential to establish itself as an essential global currency and could evolve into a leading store of value in the international economy. VanEck's detailed research suggests that Bitcoin could play a role analogous to digital gold, with increasing adoption by governments around the world who would view it as a significant and strategic reserve asset. It is plausible to assume that by the year 2050, Bitcoin could be used to settle up to 10% of international trade and about 5% of global domestic trade, VanEck states. This scenario would imply that central banks could hold about 2.5% of their assets in the form of Bitcoin. To support its forecast, VanEck considers a number of assumptions, including robust global economic growth, growing demand for cryptocurrency investments, and high Bitcoin turnover. Based on these factors, the firm suggests that the price of Bitcoin could reach a remarkable $2.9 million per unit, resulting in a total estimated market cap of $71 trillion. These figures reflect a scenario in which Bitcoin not only establishes itself as a widely accepted digital currency, but also establishes itself as a fundamental pillar of the global financial system. Factors driving the positive outlook for Bitcoin. A number of factors are supporting VanEck's bullish outlook for Bitcoin. Among the main drivers are the economic crises affecting the 4 major global currencies: the US dollar, the Japanese yen, the euro, and the British pound. These crises are exacerbated by the decline in GDPs of these countries and the continued rise in their public debts. VanEck highlights that the deterioration of property rights, manifested by the loss of value of fiat currencies due to inflation, coupled with the increasing number of international sanctions, is forcing many countries to seek neutral and stable monetary alternatives. In this context, Bitcoin emerges as an attractive option. In addition, the report notes a significant correlation between the decline in GDPs and the reduction in the participation of these countries in the global foreign exchange market, with Japan, the United Kingdom, and the European Union standing out. This phenomenon could accelerate the adoption of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, which are seen as a viable solution for diversification and economic stability amid financial turmoil. VanEck, the emergence of a new monetary system and the central role of Bitcoin. VanEck's latest report offers a groundbreaking perspective on the future of the global monetary system. The investment manager suggests that we are on the cusp of the emergence of a new monetary paradigm, in which the Chinese yuan is emerging as the fastest-growing currency, supported by influential nations such as Brazil, Russia, and India. In this emerging scenario, Bitcoin is consolidating itself as a cryptocurrency of increasing relevance. Currently, the cryptocurrency is already being used in international transactions by countries such as Russia and Venezuela. VanEck projects that, by 2050, Bitcoin could represent between 5 and 10% of domestic and international trade. This potential growth solidifies Bitcoin's role as a digital currency of increasing importance, playing a central role in the new global monetary system. Bitcoin, the digital gold of the future. In addition to its growing acceptance as a medium of exchange, a recent VanEck report suggests that Bitcoin has the potential to establish itself as a form of digital gold. By 2050, BTC is expected to represent approximately 2.5% of central banks' international reserves. With its ability to replace traditional fiat currencies, Bitcoin offers a substantial improvement over current monetary systems, the report states. While traditional monetary systems can be vulnerable to corruption and administrative failure, the Bitcoin-based system is built on an immutable and transparent logic, fostering inherent and enduring trust. 2050 projections, significant expansion of BTC and other currencies. VanEck's projections indicate a radical transformation in the composition of the global monetary system by 2050. Bitcoin's share, along with the Chinese yuan and other emerging currencies, is expected to increase from 4.77% to an impressive 23% of the global money market. This shift reflects a significant reshaping of the balance of financial power, as digital currencies and emerging economies increasingly gain a foothold in the global economic landscape. The growing adoption of cryptocurrencies and the rise of new economies are shaping a more diverse and digitized financial future that could redefine traditional parameters of wealth and economic power. Bitcoin versus gold. The future of store of value. VanEck's report provides a detailed analysis of Bitcoin's competitive advantages over gold, illuminating how the cryptocurrency can outperform the precious metal in several ways. In contrast to gold, Bitcoin offers superior portability, allowing for fast and secure transactions anywhere on the planet with just a few clicks. Its ability to be transferred instantly and digitally eliminates the need for physical transportation and the associated risks. In addition, Bitcoin offers unparalleled divisibility. Each unit of Bitcoin can be subdivided into tiny fractions, allowing for extremely low-value transactions that gold, with its physical limitations, cannot offer as efficiently. This facilitates microtransactions and fine-tuning the value of each transaction. Another significant advantage of Bitcoin is its resistance to inflation. The cryptocurrency has a finite and programmed supply, with a maximum of 21 million bitcoins that will ever be mined, which creates an intrinsic digital scarcity. In contrast, gold's supply can be affected by new discoveries and mining advances, potentially diluting its value over time. The report also examines the impact of Bitcoin's second-layer solutions, such as the Lightning Network, which is emerging as a game-changing solution to increasing Bitcoin's scalability and efficiency. These emerging technologies have the potential to radically transform the way transactions are conducted, enabling instant and low-cost payments, which could further cement Bitcoin as a modern and highly adaptable store of value. With these advantages, Bitcoin is not only challenging the status quo of gold, but is also positioning itself as a futuristic solution to contemporary challenges in stores of value and global financial transactions. Action now. Take advantage of Binance's welcome bonus. If you're interested in diving into the exciting and potentially lucrative world of cryptocurrencies, we have an opportunity you can't afford to miss. Binance, the world's largest and most renowned cryptocurrency exchange, is offering an exclusive bonus for new users. By creating your Binance account today, you can earn up to $100 in cashback, an unmissable offer that can maximize your investment opportunities from the very beginning. This is your chance to start your crypto journey on the right foot, benefiting from the experience and security provided by Binance. With a robust and intuitive platform, you will have access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and expert support, all in a safe and reliable environment. Don't miss out on this